Hello, everyone. I'm Brandon Elrich with Brandon Elrich is So Gay and Elrich Unraveling. Uh, this is just, I don't know. Anyway, I guess you probably showed up to see my balls. So, first, let's see. First, I'm gonna show you my nut. So these are uh, honey, honey roasted peanuts. Oh, I'm gonna throw these oats in here. I've got some quick oats. I'm gonna toss those into the bowl. And if you have rolled oats, you might want to process them down a bit. Oh, I gotta reach for some more than that. Here we go. Okay, so these are going to end up being my tasty balls. You can use cashews or whatever. I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter what kind of nuts you use, but I'm using these honey roasted peanuts because that's what I got. You can find all kinds of different recipes, varieties of protein balls on the internet, where whatever. I kind of looked at different ones and decided to um, just come up with my own version, basically. So they're my nuts. Um, and the oats. I have some protein powder. This is a plant-based pea and quinoa protein powder. It is chocolate. I believe it's chocolate flavor. Yeah, rich chocolate. So I'm going to throw 2 scoops of that in there. Wonderful. Um, we don't need this. My cat is sitting right at my feet. My gosh. Why? Why? Just why? All right. Then let's see. I'm gonna do the berry, my berries, a fourth of a cup of my berries. You can use whatever kind you want. This is a package of dried mixed berries. Um, oh, and Marnie says she appreciates my 2 camera system. I thank you very much. I am always proud of that little um innovation, I guess you could say, because I haven't seen anybody else doing this. And oh, anyway, you can whatever berries you want. I like dried cranberries, but you could do raisins, I guess, or whatever. This is a mix of dried cranberries, cherries, and blueberries. I like variety. So, um, that's what I'm doing. And let's see. Teaspoon of vanilla, pure vanilla extract to be specific. Let's get that out of here so don't trip over my cat. And let's see, did the berries. We don't need the berries anymore. Uh, then some salt and some cinnamon. Hello, Lewis. So here's where